Welcome back, gardeners. Today we're focusing on how to tell when your Roma tomatoes are ready for harvest. Knowing the right time to pick them ensures you get the best flavor and texture from your crop. Let's dive in. Roma tomatoes are ready to harvest when they are uniformly red from top to bottom and slightly soft to the touch. Avoid picking them when they're still green or have yellow patches, as they won't have reached their full flavor. A ripe Roma tomato will feel firm, but with a slight give when you gently press it. The skin should be smooth and fully red, without any green or blemishes. If they feel too hard, give them a few more days on the vine. Be sure to check your tomatoes regularly during peak season. Harvesting them at the right time encourages the plant to continue producing more fruit, giving you a longer and more productive growing season. By picking your Roma tomatoes at the perfect moment, you'll enjoy the best flavor and texture in your dishes. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy harvesting!